Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pin trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here.
What is up? What is up, D-Gens? What is up? What's up? How's it going? Let's do it. Hey, it's Mo Bro, Chris Knopf, what is up? Tony Gold, Big Cat. Please, no AI song about trading. Roni, what is up? How do you make it? I think it was, I don't know, it's called, I don't know, just AI song maker or something, I don't even know. Four Ring, what is up? Nico, what is up? Stefan, what's up? How did everyone do today? I had a great day today. Great day of trading. Yeah, I finished green on everything. Up 159 and change on the affiliate cup. So now I just got to deal with the consistency. Trying to soak up some game so you can make a few bucks. Let's go, Four Rings. Big Cat in the house. Yeah, smash that like button. Anthony, you got chopped up today, Nico. That's okay. It's all right. Yeah, it was the volatility's up there, right? We're getting some serious volatility. Got 3 funded ticks funded. Let's go. Pass an Apex, let's go. And oh, you need another 50% past the top step? All right, Roni. Corey, getting slaughtered lately? Yeah, it's tricky. It's very volatile and very rangy, right? So Hey, tech reviews. So if you look at the daily chart, I mean, we're basically just stuck right in the middle of that data candle, the Trump data candle. So we're still, if you look at the daily here, we're just literally just stuck in the middle. Still. And let's see, gold also was moving. Sorry, I was a little distracted there. Gold absolutely just ripping, all-time highs. This is a daily candle. This is a daily chart on gold. I mean, just look at this. I mean, it doesn't even look normal. I mean, it's just up and to the right. Absolutely insane. Got a all-time high at $4,235.80. So gold, absolutely wild. What's up, Coach Fred? Took me 8 trades to make 13 bucks. So you're up 13 bucks. That's okay, Nico, right? You didn't blow any accounts. What's up, Rat Man? Up and down, I feel like a bobber. I know. The wee wop emoji. I know. I don't know if we can Can you make emojis for your channel? I wonder. I'll have to look into that. That'd be kind of fun. The tweets never move in your direction. I know, Roni. For sure. That's usually the case. Market opens in 6 minutes. Let's go, Smokey. Doyan, what is going on? Gold got you in a drawdown 2 nights ago. It's not that hard. Gold's very over leveraged as it is, and then, you know, we're looking at like big candles on gold. I mean these are big 5-minute candles. So if you're trading one mini and you don't catch it right off the rip, then, you know, without the drawdown, it hurts. Sorry, that was an NQ, but still, gold is also very volatile lately. I mean, look at that push down. Yeah, absolutely wild. Traded 007. What is up, Rhonda? How much do I usually wait to pass the buffer? Like, how much money do I usually try to get, Rhonda? As soon as I'm over the buffer, I take the payout. Yeah. Lately, I just I haven't been doing well with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I haven't been doing very well. So I pumped the brakes on it a little bit. I'll pick up some more accounts and then see how we can do. You heard I lost some accounts today? I didn't lose any accounts today. Who's talking behind my back, Doyan? Maybe it was maybe they're thinking about Alpine. Did Alpine lose some accounts? No, I actually didn't lose any accounts. I actually did very well today. Check out the Trade Day Affiliate Cup thing. Yo, what's up, JJ? Yeah, so I'm streaming on YouTube Shorts as well, but if you go over to the full screen, there's a full screen version on the other side. Let's see. So here's the affiliate cup. Up 159, 130. So I need to basically just take care of the consistency. My largest day was 3,063. So who am I trading with right now? Tensor, so Bulanox, Tradeify, Lucid, and Trade Day. Those are my current accounts. Tried it out YRM yet? I'm not sure who's YRM. Am I doing the Tradeify ambassador thing? The tournament? Yeah, I'll do it. I think I'll do it, but yeah, they didn't want me to be an ambassador. I want to be an ambassador. We get the pine cones. We get the pine cone gang going. The pine tree, my little pine trees. Yo, Indian Burn, what is up? All right, good market opening here in just 30 seconds. Good luck. Good luck, Dawood. What's up? Good luck. Switch to the micros for now. So this is that Bulanox account that we've been trading on stream. It's up 1,817 bucks so far. So let's see what we can do. All right, a little push up here. Pushing up. You guys doing the Tradeify tournament? Any of you guys doing the Tradeify tournament? Starts in 17 days, so which is sweet because I'll be done the trade day tournament. Spreads too crazy? Yeah, they tend to be. That's why I like to trade MNQ to start the Globex Open, but pips and dips. What's up, Jay Styles? Hey, you won an account today. What's going on? Congratulations. I think you won an account today, right? Yeah. It's pretty awesome. I'm a former two-time duck race champion myself. If we're gonna trade some gold, I'll trade some gold. Yeah, if something pops up. I got gold pulled up on the other screen. I got it up over here. I'm watching it. Just buy every dip on gold, you're good. Yo, Corey the phone trader in the house. What's going on, Corey? How was your day, man? How was your trading day? Eagle Eyes, what's up? What's up? Yo, Crispy. Break even type of day, nice. Second best day, right? Corey, it's break even days. Let's go, Gary. Yeah, get in on those Tradeifys. Use code PINE when you get an account and get in on those. Get in on the contests. Appreciate you. Maybe next affiliate cup, they'll let me be an ambassador. That'll be sweet. I'm gonna try to get on Tradeify TV. I actually just got the link or the person I need to contact. I just got the name, so I'm gonna do that. Do I know if it renews 40% off? I would say probably not, Crispy, but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. I can see. I'll see if I can find out for you. Hold on. All right, market's pushing up here. 965's here. I'll see if I can find that out for you, Crispy. It only applies to the first month. Only applies to the first month. That's right from Tradeify. All right, pushing up. What's up? Peter, what's up? What's up? Design in the house. What's going on, Design? ICT Prodigy. I request my first My Funded Future payout today. Only thing is I'm not sure if this plaid thing, I can't even log into My Funded Futures. It shows it's sent. I'm not sure, Jay Styles. I actually get paid through Rise still with My Funded Futures. For what yeah, Peter. That's what I hear. Tradeify competition. So yeah, 50K. Yeah, currently 40% off too on the flash sale. If you guys want to use code PINE, I appreciate it. On Tradeify. All right, market is just rocketing. What is gold up to? Gold continuing to, well, it's kind of pulling back now, but did dip down 42.19 and ripped up to 42.29. That is 10 points, which is $1,000 if you're trading one mini. Long since 45 with a few micros. Let's go, Coach Fred. Spine, I got 3 Buellanox Masters. That's what's the max I can have now until I get some. Yeah, that's the max. Yep. 3 Buellanox till you get payouts. Yeah, till you cross the buffers. Yeah, so you cross the buffer, then you can add another one. You get one across the buffer, you can add one. You get another one across the buffer, you can add one. Up to 11. Congratulations on the Buellanox. Getting those passed. Yeah, can we get up above that 25,000? I hear you. ICT. Pulling back. Yo, Tom, what's going on? Tradeify accounts have activation fees. Only the advanced accounts. Only the advanced accounts. So yeah. All purchase was code PINE. Thank you, Design. I appreciate that. But yeah, Tradeify, the growth account. So the growth accounts are the end of day accounts, Corey. Those are the ones I like the best. Because there's no activation fee as well. So I currently have some growth. I'll show you my Tradeify accounts right now. So I got too many accounts. These are my Tradeify accounts. I got some growth accounts. This one's up 1,000. This one's up 499. And these are up pretty good. These are all the 150 lightning fundeds. And then these are growth accounts that are almost past, but I have too many. I accidentally got rebuild, so I got too many of those accounts at the moment. Do I take a do I dare to try to short gold here? It's looking like maybe with the micros. Whew. Scary. Short gold. Look at that. No drawdown on that bad boy. Woof. And then plenty of drawdown. Wow. Damn. I'm in just 3 micros. Stops at the high, risking 231. I can see us possibly pushing down to that 42.16 area. Wow, we took. It was way too quick to even try to take profit on that. It literally just ripped down. I don't like that response that it just bounced right back up like that. I can tell you that. Tom, yeah, I've been hearing the same stuff, but I don't know. We'll see. I think they need to make some changes because the competition is too good right now. I mean, my funded futures with that flex plan is pretty much the same thing as Top Step, but even easier in a way to get a payout because with my funded futures, you only need 5 days of $100 or more, and Top Step you need 5 days of $150 or more, and you can still withdraw 50% of your profits and my funded futures is way cheaper. And tomorrow, my funded futures is coming out with a flex plan for the core accounts. So, pretty sweet. I did not like that reaction, that buy up there. $345, bro, take a trade, drop a gem. That's the problem. I do take too many trades on stream. That is the problem. I'm short basically off the rejection of the high, put in an inside bar, and then broke the inside bar short. We took literally no drawdown at first. It literally just ripped some stops lower, but then the reaction of the buy up there was not great. So we'll see what happens. I'm glad I'm in micros because, man, in a mini, you'll just wreck an account like quick. So you don't like trading gold? It's the cool kid in town right now for sure. Nasdaq looking like a good long, possibly off that outside bar. It's interesting. 972. Yeah, gold's definitely the new. I said it the other night. It's the new hot chick in town, right? Like everyone's talking about gold, gold, gold. All over Twitter, gold, gold, gold. It's because it's moving like Nasdaq. That's why. I like the long on Nasdaq. I'm gonna take some off here. Right at this resistance point, I took some off. So if we can actually break down through it, then we could actually get a little more of a runner. Stops at break even on the rest. Locked in 92 bucks with the baby micros. I gotta see how much money I need to make on my trade day. Affiliate cup to pass this thing. Do I think XRP will hold up a drop? You know, Pixel Tail, I don't know anything about crypto whatsoever. Yeah. Sorry, I have no idea. Yeah, I don't trade crypto at all. Yo, Fiber Splice, what's going on? Thumper, what's up? MGC, yes, it's gold. Micros. You know what they'll do? May do what bet they put in a 50% consistency on Express account. Maybe. Activation fees is not as popular anymore, and I'm here for it. Yeah, I know. It's true. Let's see. Trade Days dashboard hasn't updated yet. All right, stopped out of that runner. That's okay. That was a nice trade, though. So basically, I took that trade off the inside bar, even though I got trolled today, saying it doesn't work. But yeah, basically, I took that gold short off the inside bar, which is here. Gold short off the inside bar. And then I'll show you the troll. And here's the troll. This is bullshit price. Follow liquidity fair value gaps. 1 minute. Not a reversal. You skipped and saying you don't look at all those. Really, you showed example of a long trade. This is a retracement. If we trade your strategy, we blow all our accounts in one trade. All these people believing you? How? And then I said, too simple for you? Learn to spell. I love trolling the trolls. It's funny to me now. Yo, Miss K, what is up? Why do people force their opinions? I know, I don't know. It's just funny. It's all good. I didn't say it works every time. I'm just saying, like, you know, it's just a good, easy, simple thing to see for me. And, you know, I trade it. Doesn't work every time. And I use a little discretion on it too. Yo, Lambo, what's up? You roast the trolls too? I know. Study CRT, then why the inside-outside bar can work. Yeah. Right. Yeah. He was Fred. Yeah, he was. I didn't even know what he was talking about. I did it for a reaction. Like, that's why. It's like I definitely think that any strat can work, right? Like that's always been my belief, is that any strat can work. You can make it work, and you know, it's just about applying risk management. And so, you know, of course, when I do my videos, I'm trolling a little bit. Like, I started the video saying you don't need fair value gaps and all that stuff. I mean, I think ICT stuff is good. Some of it's good. I just don't trade it myself, and that's okay. But yeah, I just throw it. Just try to troll a little bit, which is kind of fun. This is interesting here. The old Nasdaq. Little outside bar here. Sad thing he wasn't trolling. That is true, Fred. Trying to hold up the VWAP here, but this is interesting. A little short at 65, possibly. Yeah, it's all about consistently following whatever you're trading. 100% Big Cat. I couldn't agree with you more. I mean, that's exactly what we all, well, not everyone, but some of us struggle with every day. It's just like, it's about staying consistent with your edge, keeping proper risk management, keeping a daily loss limit. Kind of like possible short, but man, We got some room to the upside. It's 40s, you know, above 25,000. I might scale in with a short, pretty small. Real small. 2 micros for right now. I hope we don't just chop that VWAP like we did last night. You know what? I'm going to close this. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna see if we actually break and hold. All right, so here's what I'm looking at. So we got an outside bar here on the 5-minute, pretty bullish. It hasn't quite finished off, and then now we're putting it in an outside bar to the downside. So I'm gonna wait to see what this candle does. Excuse me. So that was a good exit there. Put in an inside bar here. Kind of a bull flag too. I might actually switch bias. Put in a little bit of a bull flag. Inside bar, bull flag. This outside bar here is still in play. This one here. Kind of would like to see it push up through that 80s and hold though, if I was to take a long. What made me close it? Kind of looking left and seeing that this outside bar was still in play. And I don't like to go against the outside bars unless they completely invalidate. So this first bar is an outside bar, and I like to trade those kind of at a 1-to-1, which would put us up into here. So kind of what I'm thinking there. And then I looked up here and I see these inefficiencies and gaps. Single prints up and through here, so I'm thinking we could possibly push up into here anyway and kind of run that stuff, but that's just what I'm thinking. I might be overthinking. That could get me in trouble. You still long? Let's go. First outside break. Let's go, Mo. Good luck, good luck. You short ES Indian burn? Good luck. Short 3. Good luck, Eagle Eyes. You short? Most are good at keeping the stop exit. Yeah. If I'm pretty good at keeping it, as long as it pops on the screen. If I have to go, oh, I have a mental stop, then it's like, oh boy. It's if I'm mental at the moment, that could be bad. Thumper, you think a slow grind up? I think that could be a possibility. Right now we're just kind of chopping on that VWAP. Keeping an eye on gold as well still on the other screen. And you get home onto the 49-inch monitor. You got a 49-inch monitor? Wow. 17-inch laptop screen. Let's go. Yeah, that's much better than the laptop. I hear you. When I'm traveling, it's a bit of an adjustment. Because I got, let's see, 327s. I got 327s. I mean, I could use 4. Should be nice, but I don't really need that many screens. It's mainly just for streaming. TJP, you've been looking at the inside outside bars lately. You usually play out great. Oh, cool. Glad it can help you. If I jump in long, have at least one runner. Jesus is my redeemer. So for some reason, Lord, thank you so much for the sub. I thought you for some reason I thought it said Jesus is my reindeer. I don't know why. I thought I need to learn how to read, I guess. I thought it said Jesus is my reindeer. Thank you so much for the sub. I need the space for the prop firms. It's not bad when you're trading my broker. Yeah. For sure. Oh, thank you, TJP. Yeah, I tried to make them just sweet and to the point. You know, I tried with the strategy videos. I'm just like, because let's face it, like any strategy that you show someone, no one's gonna trade it really the same. For the most part, everyone's gonna try to do something with it. So I like to just try to bring the basics and just kind of show like, oh, this is kind of what I do. And I don't trade all inside and outside bars. Oh, let's see here. Where are we at? If we break those 80s, I'm going to go long. Stop's going to go below the range at 64. 3 micros is what I'm looking at. To be honest with you, it could take me. This could be actually a good short position, to be honest, because we could just be putting in a range, and it could just take me long, come right back into the VWAP, and then just chop a range. So, because there's really not that much momentum going on right now, so just don't follow my trades, but just be aware of that. Like, that's the scenario I'm thinking. Just above that inside bar on the bull flag break. Bottom of the hour too, so let's go, Coach Fred. You were. That's funny. We're triggered long here at 99.875, and here's my thinking. Inside bar, bull flag break. That's basically the thinking here. So, and there's the rejection right off that range. So it's pulling us right back into the VWAP. I should have just faded myself. I kind of called that, didn't I? Yeah, it's kind of doing what it did last night for the Globex Open. It's just kind of chopping that view up. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold too while this trade to see if it plays out. Gold just kind of not really doing too much, just kind of hanging out there. Just sort of triggered along, but it's a little slow to be honest. Let's check out the gold. Take it long on gold. Boy, today was like a repeat of yesterday, really. I mean, as far as even in New York. So long Nasdaq, long gold. Let's try it. Risking about 200 bucks total. 220 bucks if we get stopped out on both. Price action on Nasdaq's nasty. Looking for my profit targets on trade day. Come on, gold, get up there. All right, stopped out on MNQ. Stopped out on MNQ. Still long gold. NQ looking like it's rolling over here. See if we can get something going on gold, maybe. Yo, Tim Korth, what is up? Guys, smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. I really appreciate it. Appreciate the support. So yeah, so it's up 90. Now I'm down $13. It's okay. See if we can get something rolling here. A little back-to-back action would be nice. You still trying to decide which Apex account you should trade, Tim? Yeah, like I said, I mean, I like the 50Ks and the 150s. Those are my favorites, but here's the way I look at it. You get over $2,000. Is it 2,000? I believe it's 2,000 on a 50K account. Then your account is static anyway, right? So as soon as you get over 2,000 bucks, your account becomes static. Where am I from? I am from the state of Maine, hence the name Pine Tree Trader. Pine Tree State, man. What's up, Joe Black? Yeah, the static accounts, they just don't give you that much drawdown. It's really tough. Oh, and the other thing is, Tim, if you start off bad, then you're going to ruin that Apex 30% drawdown. So, because it's 30% of your... Oh, come on. So, hold on. Let me finish my trade here. Because whatever you started was 650. So let's say your first trade, you get in 30% of 650, then you technically broke a rule. So I like the 50s and the 150s if I had to choose. Do I eat lobster? Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah, a couple times in the summertime. I probably had lobster at least 5 times this summer, 6 times. Yeah, I love, like, in the afternoon after I'm done trading, I'd go down to the coast, and which is only about 40 minutes away, and grabbing a lobster. Where in Maine? Central Maine. I'm right in central Maine. I'm about an hour north of... About 45 minutes north of Portland or so. Right around Augusta area. That's where I'm from. Small town. Dirt road. Grew up on a dirt road. No people. But yeah, I can be into the mountains in about an hour and 20 minutes. I can be to the coast in about 45 minutes. I can be down in Portland in about 45 minutes. It's pretty sweet. But it's getting colder now, so I'm ready for a trip to Florida or something. Kind of looking for a 1-to-1 off this inside bar on gold, but let me just measure that out. Oops. Didn't quite get it, almost. Weren't I just in Florida? Yeah, it was. I'm ready to go back. It's getting colder up here in the north. Maybe California. I'd like to go out to California too. That'd be fun. I have never been to California. Come on, gold. Push up there. Let's do it. Hey Wesley, what's going on? I'll be hopping on your stream here as soon as I get done off this stream. If you guys haven't checked out Wesley, Emerald Gate, he comes on just after me. So and he doesn't yell like, "Hey, did you guys catch that gold? You guys catch that gold long? Hey, did you catch that?" Even though it's, you know, the gold's going down, it doesn't do that. So check him out. Come on, gold, get up there. Yeah, I'm trading the old gold, Wes. It's the new cool kid in town, but it's scary. Just with the micros though. Caught a nice gold short, and then I ruined it with a quick Nasdaq trade, and gave back my gains. Now we're in another gold trade. See if we can pop it up. We've only been trading this eval on stream. We started on it last Friday. Yeah, smash the thumbs up. Wesley said. I live just 3 miles from Yosemite. Oh, awesome. That's awesome, Joe Black. I'd love to visit Yosemite. Yeah, we definitely have some old houses. I used to live in a house that was pretty old. 1870 or something like that. The house. It sucked to try to heat in the winter, I tell you that. I ended up buying one of those pellet stoves. The wood pellet stoves. You stay away goals at all costs. I don't blame you. Yeah, it's a little tricky, but I am getting a little bit better. I've been kind of practicing, observing it a lot more. Pretty much on that trade day affiliate cup thing that I've been trading. I've been trading a lot of gold at night on it. Currently got it over the 159, but I just did a flip day. I gotta figure out what I need to get over that consistency. I had a day that I was up $3,063. Probably should have just lost money, but I gotta try to get that thing passed so I can catch up to Nutty Bar. Alright, gold's pulling back down. It missed our take profit there. I was kind of being a dick for a tick. Missed it. It went up to 4,230 and 90 cents. And I had to take profit at 42.31 40 cents. Now it's kind of pulling back. Not looking great, but we'll see. I mean, buying any dip on gold lately seems to be the play. My stop right here was the entry. That was where you wanted to be right there. All right, get a little pullback. Let's see if buyers come in and buy up that prior bar's low. See if it pushes back up through the highs. That'll be nice. Nutty blew it? No, he didn't. No way. Did he really, CP? There's no more resets. Oh, no. Oh, no. I didn't want to see that. Kellyanne passed hers today. Oh, he did, didn't he? Oh, no. Damn it, Nutty. It's tricky. Oh, the cam just went out. Uh-oh. Thanks, you, Wes. Huh, that's weird. I haven't had that happen in a long time where the camera just goes out. Joe Dale, thank you for the sub. Yeah, Sports on. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the camera went out. I haven't had that happen in a while. I don't know what's up. Yeah, that's too bad. I mean, damn. So anyways, what I was saying is that doing these competitions, it's kind of like, you know, first of all, you know, I heard Alpine saying this, and he's right, is that, you know, when it comes to trading, it's me versus me, right? It's not me versus any of you guys. It's me versus me when it comes to trading. And then when you're in a competition, it adds another element to it. So now it's me versus the people in the competition. So it is a little bit, it's been a little hectic and stressful, not gonna lie. Like, I mean, I had 4 resets and 2 of them were back to back, like literally in like 5 minutes. So, and then I had to wait a week. So now I gotta try to push this thing over. That's a very bearish candle. I'm gonna actually close this. A little unfortunate. It missed us by about a point, which actually used to be a lot on gold. A point. Yeah, I don't know. I am basically even. I'm down 14 cents. I like this Nasdaq trade here. I like this bull flag break on Nasdaq. Little Tory trend lines, Tory tan line break. See if we can get a little pop. I'm long on the trade day cup too. Oh, what's up, Cove? I was in on gold, yeah. I was in on gold, but then I was just like, I don't know. It missed me by a point. My take profit, and then but I like this little trend line bull flag break here. See if we can get up through the highs. Get up to that 25,000 would be nice. Sorry guys, I'll get back to the chat. I'm just focusing on this trade here. Nutty blew up, Cove. He blew his funded account. That sucks. No more resets for him. He's out. He blew his account, yeah. Took it off on the trade day things. I can focus on this one. You're in a 3 minis. Boy, yeah, you start sizing up with gold, it gets clenching. Holy cow. I mean, the moves are... I mean, 10 points is nothing with gold right now. I mean, I was in... God. The other night, I was definitely over leveraged in the gold. I was up into like 5 minis at one point. It was nuts. All right, test that VWAP and then just rip higher here. We don't want to just reject off that 480s, that 980s, I mean. We have Gary. We have on My Funded Futures TV. Yeah, Cove and I were on together. It was fun. Cove, Terry, and I. Who was in the middle? I think Cove was in the middle. Just saying. Once 28 moved to break even. I'm not even gonna comment. Let's go. Yo, Drifter, what is up? What's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, Sports Dawn. In case I missed any of you guys. Mustafa, what's up? I was in those trades. It was intense. Nutty Blue on some stupid challenge, Jim Hardy. Yeah, I'm in the same challenge. Yeah. Cove, me. I mean, it's nice. I get accounts to give away to you guys, but to be honest with you, it's just like. I gotta beat the consistency now. All right, top of the hour here. See if we get that continuation up through the 80s. What's gold up to? Gold's hanging out. Looking like it wants to push higher. Heading for the TP. I had a TP at 4231.1 and paper handed it. Currently up a whopping 7 points on this trade. Let's see if we can actually break through, or is this going to put in a lower high and roll back over? And 3 minis on gold. Gonna leave it to the night. Let's go. Good luck. This is a nice bounce off 70s. That's what I like to see. I like to see a bounce right off my entry there when I'm long. See if we can run those wicks up here. Do I see the inverted head and shoulders? I don't really know what head and shoulders is. Das 1997. What is up? Just found the channel, hanging out. Oh, well, welcome. So I stream here every single night, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you smash the like button if you're coming in. And yeah, welcome. How was the morning? I traded absolutely fire today. Absolutely was on fire. It was a good day. I felt really good about my trades. I didn't over leverage. I held the daily loss limits. I didn't actually hit any daily loss limits, but I had them all set. And yeah, I made 3,000 on the trade day cup, and then actually I'll show you a tweet I just put out. This is my P&Ls for today across the fundeds. Just trade. Actually, this is not all of them. I couldn't actually get them in, but it's just some of them. So yeah, this wasn't funded, but that's the trade day cup. But yeah, just a good day, solid day. So currently, just got the Tradeify accounts, Lucid accounts. I'm probably gonna pick up some of those My Fund Future core accounts tomorrow. The flex plan is gonna be on the My Fund Futures core. So $77, right? Or I think it's gonna be around $77. Maybe 73 if you use code Pine, get you a little discount. And then 5 days of $100 or more. And you can withdraw up to $3,000. So that's pretty cool. That's a really good ROI. If that's what the price is going to be. It's going to be announced tomorrow. Friday just a memory? Yeah, Sports Dawn for sure. Yeah, I've been trading. So I've slowed down. After Friday, I haven't bought any new accounts. I have put on a daily loss limit on all my accounts, and yeah, I haven't bought any new accounts yet. So I'm just working with the ones I got, the ones that got left over from Friday, and I'm just trading those, and then trading this trade day cup thing. Lurkers, yes, almost to that 4,000. I don't know, isn't that crazy, Wesley? Yeah, we're almost at 4,000 subs, guys. All organically. Pretty sweet. Really appreciate it. Getting there. If you guys haven't subbed already, please sub. Hey, what's going on? Over on the mobile sides. Bergman, what's up? What's going on? Give him a sub for the shameless new highs. Yeah, I heard Wesley talking about this the other night. I thought it was funny. He was his sub count and the gold. He was trying to keep up with the gold. So that's gonna be my goal too, is try to keep up with gold. Gold so far is outpacing me. But yeah. It's going. Gold's at 4,200. I'm at 39 and change. So we need gold to come down so I can keep up with gold. Gold pulling back. Hopefully Cove got out of that long. Oosh. Nasdaq's putting in an inside bar here. No momentum. Just basically coming back to the VWAP. Probably it's not going to be any momentum until Tokyo Open. So. Hey, Rai. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Four powerful patterns, head and shoulders, MW, cup and handle. Yeah. I've heard of it, stuff. I just never studied it. I mean, I just trade inside bars, outside bars, and bull flags and bear flags, basically. And then just look for scalps. But right now, I feel like just flattening out, but just not getting that momentum. I did make 270 on the trade day. on that long, but I was in flattening out. I just don't like, I mean, if you look at this right here, put it in a lower high, inside bar, could possibly push back down into here, this 950s, or just sit right here at 965s right on this VWAP until, because we've seen this so many times during the Globex open where we just sit right here. What is this? Yeah, 270 on that trade day cup. So I gotta find out what I need for to beat this consistency, because before I trade it anymore. The goal is just to pass and then let everyone blow their accounts. Plenty of time. You falling behind the gold? Nothing can outpace gold. Gold's insane. There was a trader I was friends with that actually made a lot of money trading failed head and shoulder patterns. Oh, nice. Yeah, no, it works for sure. You almost lost your static account? Oh, Canary, yeah. But you didn't lose it. You still got it, so that's good. Look up, there goes Nasdaq falling. I should have flipped the switch on that inside bar. You see this inside bar? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It's all hindsight, but look. Look at that. And this outside bar is still holding right now. We'll see if this low at 944.50 actually holds. I wonder if Mobro's still hanging on. Or if he took profit. You got a... Let's see, you got good 15 points off that. Not too bad. Beautiful. Could have got a 2-to-1 off that one. Not quite. Maybe a 2-to-1. 1-to-1, easy, but then get down in here for the 2-to-1. 950s. But I usually look for 1-to-1s on the insides. Take a look at gold here again. Gold pulling back. Uh-oh, Cove. Eesh. Hopefully Cove exited. Grab the short off the inside bar. Let's go, Mo. Let's go. Chopping the 10 handle. I know. It is a bunch of chop. What am I gonna have for dinner tonight? I had a cheeseburger for lunch. Maybe a salad with some grilled chicken. My ready-to-eat Walmart salads. New all-time highs soon on gold. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. Skylit, I wouldn't, I mean... Did you see me show the daily candle earlier? I mean, it's just insane. The daily on gold. I mean, look at that. That's the daily on gold. I mean, what is that? We are just squeezing. I think come down to 100, 4,400 and then rip. Possibly. I could tell you, like, not financial advice or any by any means, but gold can get you some past evals for sure, because it completely over leverages you, and if you catch the right one, you can definitely pass an eval pretty quickly. So down $8.10, so down not even a value meal at McDonald's right now. A little unfortunate. The first trade we took on gold was a beauty. We actually caught the short off this inside bar here. I'll show you on the Trade of 8. It's a little bit cleaner. Get rid of this. So yeah, we caught the short off that inside bar for a nice trade, and then we tried to go. What did we try to do? We tried to make a play on Nasdaq. I think we tried to long Nasdaq. Yeah, we tried to long Nasdaq, and then I paper handed it. Yeah, so we made a few trades. But yeah, so far break even. Another Nasdaq inside bar here. I don't like the PA right now. It's just kind of chopping back and forth. Don't diddle in the middle, right? Are you kidding me, Gary? You can't trade gold? And all their influencers are gold traders. Imagine that. That's good. No, it's not good, but it's just, why? Why can't you trade gold? That doesn't make any sense. Maybe they'll change that. People are going to be pissed. We got 17 days before the tournament starts, so 3 reset max. I do like the reset max. So I'm assuming you'll have to pay for the reset. So, because you know it's $35 to have a Trade of 8 account. It costs them $35 to have it set up through Trade of 8, I guess. So. Probably the data cost. Oh, that's interesting, Andrew. Yeah. Oh, those cheap. They get the money. No, I don't know. Yeah, no, that's crazy. Next trade, Lou. What's up? Yeah, so I think a lot of people are gonna be upset with that because, like I said earlier, the gold's the new hot chick in town. So. We'll see. It's gold's the new cool kid. What's up, Futch? TGC? What is TGC? The tournament? But yeah, currently, Tradeify has a flash sale going on, guys. So I appreciate you guys using my code PINE on that flash sale. And then when you sign up, I don't think you have to put a code in when you sign up for the tournaments, but Nasdaq pushing down. Futch, let's go. Got some daily payouts with Take Profit Trader, guys. Futch, congratulations. Yeah, it's the data fees. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Yeah. Anyone else get any daily payouts with Take Profit Traders? Smash the confetti for Futch. That's awesome. Get those daily payouts is where it's at. So if you guys want to go for some daily payouts, trade day and take profit trader. Use code PINE with both of those. Get those daily payouts. Trade day, it's PINE with a capital P. So I tried to get that changed today twice, and actually they said they just can't do it, which is weird. So I tried to get it to be changed to PINE all caps with trade day, but they just can't do it. The inside bar doesn't work. That was an inside bar too, wasn't it? I'm totally missing it, Mo. I'm sleeping at the wheel here. 2 in a row on the inside bars. This is what Mo's talking about. I'm looking at the chat and he's making money. So 2 nice inside bar breaks here on Nasdaq. If you guys are interested in that strategy, you can just check out the link in the chat. Maybe. Well, it used to work. I don't know. I have some long form videos. There it is. It's a little delayed. Beautiful. Past the 50K take profit trader eval, but need to flip 2 more days. So start trading. Let's go, Tony. Yeah, take profit trader, pretty awesome. Yeah, use code PINE. Take profit trader, trade day. I need to work on another take profit trader, but I'm trying to get my confidence back. I absolutely demolished some accounts last Friday, so all right, Nasdaq pushing down here. I kind of missed that short. Let's check out gold. What's gold up to? Gold trying to push back up. Putting in a bit of a flag pattern here. Looking a little interesting. What's going on? There we go. See if we can get a strong close on this candle here, up through on gold. Long gold. See if we get a pop on gold. Micros. I'm on long micros. F gold just saying, I know. The annoying thing is with the, yeah, I hear you, Fudge. It is. Zion hates gold. I love to hate it too. Risk 114 bucks. The micros. Buying what makes the harami? Yeah, no problem. It's so basically the harami. Well, an inside bar can be a harami too, technically. I mean, but it's basically if you look at this candle here, it's the body opens and closes within the body of the previous candle. Makes the harami. Today, yeah, it looks like it didn't work very well on Nasdaq. Oh no, this is gold. That's why. Nasdaq, like this right here, harami candle. So it kind of wicks below previous candle, but the body opens and closes within the body of that candle. And then I just look for the long, and then I look for I target the top of or the bottom of the mother candle, and then the stop goes below. But you can be a little more discretionary, like you can just look for maybe a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, or look left, look for levels to take out. That's kind of how I do it. What's up, Donna? Wood chip, what's up? What's up? What's up? Gold printing in the doji, yeah. Harami means pregnant, yes. Harami means pregnant in Japanese. Apparently, according to Google. Google knows. But Mobro, they actually work. So like, let's just say it puts in a harami. So we're still long in this gold, but it actually can work even if it like fails, right? So if it puts in the harami and then comes down and fails, you can take out the other side too and actually work for a scalp sometimes. But you can see actually at noontime, this was the low of the day for that harami candle. And that's something I look for. I wish I was trading this. I actually wasn't trading by noontime, but yeah, if I could just wait for this one setup. It only happens every so often, but you actually get some momentum up or down. And then it puts in the reversal harami and then spikes with the volume. So you can actually see it spiked the volume here. And then you take the long, and so often, if you go back and look through the charts, so often that is the low of the day or the high of the day. So it happens. When it does happen, it's amazing. It just doesn't happen all the time. I mean, that's the only reason why I have the volume there, is just to observe that. Alright, back to gold here. Come on, if I was short gold right now, it would rip my face off to the upside, so let's go. So I wait for the third candle to close. I actually don't wait for it to close. Mood lighting, it's been a while. Yeah, wood chip, it's been a while. What's going on, man? How are you doing? It's good to see you. Wood chip's a long time subscriber. Yeah, so I actually don't wait for the candle to close. I just look for the break. Now, some people do wait for the candles to close on the inside bars, Jinro. So, like on my inside bar strategy, people actually, one of our subscribers, Biblical, he'll actually wait for the close. So he waits for a confirmation, which does keep him out of things like this. That was that long we took and we failed, actually, that inside bar. So this kind of just wicked above and then came right down and, you know, put it in a Rami actually, and then kept going. Yeah, it would have kept him out of this. So I don't know. I think it kind of balances itself out in a way. It's been so long that the internet can't stream your channel. Oh, really? I'm kind of liking this play here, but there's just no momentum. I mean, I'm liking what I'm seeing here for pattern, but boy, it just does not want to go anywhere. I feel like if I was in New York right now, this thing would rip. Look for 247. Possibly. Maybe you're looking at Nasdaq. Nope. Gold. Here we go. Yeah, it wasn't too long ago. If I was trading gold, I would look for like 1 or 2 points, and I'd be like, "Oh, that's a nice trade." Now it's like I'm looking for like 10. It seems like 5-10 points. One mini on gold is 1 point with a mini is $100 bucks gold. So it's insane. When I was doing that BDH tournament, I was slinging around 10 contracts of gold. That was part of the reason why I was up to like 30,000 on that day, slinging that in Nasdaq full contracts, but not realistic. I mean, it's just you kind of had to do that with the tournament. Don't really dig the tournament so much, but it's all good. He had 4 funders and accidentally took his second trade. 450 profit. Oh no. Took the raw. Sell now before it dumps. Boy, if I went off all the advice from the chat, it'd be quite the stream. I got people saying go long. I got people saying go short. TTBZ, what is up? What happened to the gold trade? I don't remember. I think I took it off. I just took it off for break even. Oh no, you blew the 25K. Oh yeah. Damn. Break even is better than now. Maybe I might have paper handed it, but I mean we're pretty much break even right now for the day, so I'm risking 114. So if I hit that, that's fine. Right now we're just chopping that view up. Get about 30 minutes before Tokyo Open. Definitely better than an L. Yeah. What's up, TTBZ? The man, the myth, the legend. I don't know. We have fun. We like to sling around some contracts. I mean, we're trading Nasdaq, kind of doing the same thing here. Trading some gold, trading some Nasdaq, slinging around accounts. Got this Buellanox account we're playing around with. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. I'm here every single night, 6 p.m. Eastern time. So if you guys want to come back, hang out. Man, it sucks that Nutty blew that account. It does suck. Let's go, TT Breezy. Am I in Florida? No. I wish. Up in the north. Trading gold is exhausting. Yeah. We really didn't get that. We got that flag break, but Pine's a legend? I am not. It's definitely not a legend. I know, Wood Chip. I know the like button has been lacking. Viewership's been pretty good, but yeah, people not smashing that like button. Guys, yeah, could you please smash that like button? Really helps out the stream. It really does. It helps put it on other people's feeds, so that way people like TTBZ can find my stream. So yeah, Philip Jackson, right? Or am I wrong? Yeah. Every point it moves it's $100 on a mini, right? Am I wrong? People are ashamed to like the channel. I mean, do I need to show my feet? I don't have socks on. Oh yeah, it's $100 a point. NLT, what's up? Watching it on 2 screens? Let's go. Oh, that's what you guys are talking about. Are you hoping I get signed to the BDH if I lived in Florida? Yeah, that would be pretty sweet. I would do it. I don't know what I would do. Globex, right? Do the Globex stream. Has to be a pretty good salary though. Have I been to the BDH? I've been to the BDH. Yeah. I did a tour. It's pretty sweet. It's really cool. Well, it looks like we're kind of breaking that like a flag to the downside now. Duran Gap, you build 3 Billinox Masters in a few seconds. Yeah, it's the volatility is absolutely insane during New York. No, I just stopped in wood chip. Yeah, I just stopped in. Yeah, met D Money, Ginger, Patrick, all super cool. What time frame am I on? I'm on the 5-minute. I trade the 5-minute time frame, Pat, Philip. Boy, yeah, this is gross. We're gonna get stopped out here. I'm just gonna let myself get stopped out if we do, but. Am I going back on the show? So I was never on the show. I would love to go on the show. Oh, steal his cars? Man, those cars are nice. He has like a 70s Bronco too that's in there. That is sweet. He just bought it. It has completely been like gone through like a frame up job. Like, it's nice. And but yeah, his truck is kind of up my alley. Is that his F350 Platinum? That thing is massive. It barely fits in the parking lot. It's just really cool to see what the studio can really be, you know, or what like future streaming and stuff, like how it can be. And you know, it's not totally difficult. Stopped out on that. So here's what we were looking at. We were looking for the kind of a flag break to the upside, and then it puts in another flag here, and then it's just ripping lower. So I should have listened to Rain Gap. Rain Gap had it, but it's all good. Only down 125. That is not too bad. I haven't been able to see me get anything going on the last 2 streams. The outside bar paid? Probably did. Yeah, so let's take a look at Trade of 8. Those inside bars did not pay. Look at that. That was ugly. But yeah, D Money, super cool guy. Really nice guy. Oh, Jay Styles, sorry I missed your question. Yeah, mine, it depends on your bank, but mine shows up like within a few minutes if my funded futures payout. So I usually get approved and sent within 2 minutes, and depending on what you have for ACH or Rise, but yeah, usually it's really quick. Yeah, I've definitely blown 3 accounts for sure. The OJ Bronco? No, older than that. Maybe it's I'll show you. Probably like a 60s or something like that. Something like this. That's what Patrick has. Something like that. But I think it's like jacked up a little more though. He has a little more lift on it. It's sweet. I ain't gonna lie. Like and underneath, like, so he's got this on the lift, and underneath it he has that Ferrari. He has a Ferrari sitting underneath it. So it's like this up here and then a Ferrari underneath. To be honest with you, like, Ferrari would be fun, but I'd almost rather have the Bronco. That's just personal for me. That's the redneck in me. You might go back to trading options to continue to blow accounts. Yeah. How long have I been trading futures, Philip? Since 2021. So my question, would you hold a trade if you get multiple inside bars after your entry, or would you cancel it and wait for a new candle to break that wick above or below? That is a good question. So I have been getting out of trades, especially if it doesn't go my way right away. So if I'm long off this inside bar here and it comes back and it's just like puts in another inside bar and triggers the short, I'm probably just gonna flatten out the position and then just like wait and see what happens, you know. While every single dip just gets bought up on gold. It is absolutely insane. I mean, look at these buy tails. And like you said, like we were looking at the, like I said earlier, we were looking at the daily chart. Look at that daily chart on gold. Just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Inside bars on dailies, you could take those for swing trades. I mean, look at these inside bars on the dailies. It's just sweet. Who's gonna be the person that shorts the top of all-time highs in gold, you know? Just every day it just goes higher and higher. Take a look at Nasdaq again. Nasdaq pulled back to 24,925. Currently up to 24,947. So up 270 on trade day, up down 125 on the Billinox. Gold bounce came right to the VWAP to the tick and then rejected. Interesting. It's moving like Nasdaq. Of course he's got to lift it. Yeah. You had a Bronco too back in the day? Nice. When you're doing the ice bath for 5 minutes? Oof, that's hard. I don't like that. Gold is going to be the new Bitcoin. Better get it while it's cheap. You never know, Jack Boom. You like it better than options? Yeah, Philip, I do. I do trade options too, but I trade option spreads. Pretty consistent at picking tops and losing, I know. Friday, I had a rough day, wood chip. Friday was rough. And you know, we had that massive dump on Friday, and that's not even what got me. It was prior to that. I wish I would have held off until that we had that dump, but yeah, I ended up like going through most of my accounts, and so the only ones I got left are some Tradeify fundeds and some Lucid fundeds. And that's it. Hi Sherry, what's up? Do I trade butterflies? No. No, I'm still trying to learn the spreads and stuff. I got it down pretty good, but I do trade spreads for credit. That's exactly what I'm doing. Your Lucids are hanging on for dear life and waiting for CPI for a miracle TTBC. Yeah. So Lucid, pretty good deals going on right now, but I think the Tradeify deal, if you guys want to use code PINE, 40% off all accounts except the 150K Lightning accounts. So 40% off, use code PINE, and appreciate it. And stay tuned for My Funded Futures tomorrow. They're going to come out with their flex plan for the core accounts. So check those out. Yo, Tommy Stark, what is up? Been hanging out, listening while you're working? Let's go. I appreciate that. I do the same thing. I don't listen to myself, but I listen to other streamers while I'm working. Doing chores, whatever. I'm the reason you got the impulse of money from Apex using code. Let's go, Woodchip. Yeah, sometimes it comes in waves. I appreciate that, though. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Yeah, it definitely comes in waves with Apex, because I'll wake up one morning and I'm like, oof. I'm like, someone tried to pass some accounts. I'm always like, well, I wish I had like one of those bigger influencers like that go through a massive amount of accounts to pass the evals. I'm like, yeah, just use my code. Oh no, Trump's talking again. All right, Nasdaq's pushing down here a little bit. So I guess Trump might be talking again. So keep that in mind. Not financial advice, but make sure you have your stops in place. It's always just smart, because you never know what could happen. Could be back on the old Twitter, the interwebs. Did you say my name like you were Stock Tiger? I probably did. I probably did, Tommy. We are pushing lower. 926 here. Oh, I don't want to trade that right now. I gotta figure out what I need for consistency. I guess buy gold. Never. It doesn't seem like a bad move ever to just buy gold and go long. If you trade small enough, you just gotta hold through some drawdown every once in a while. But he's in the White House speaking? Okay. Yeah. Hold on to your hat. If it's being televised, or if there's reporters there or anything like that, then just hosting a dinner? Oh, okay. That's not as bad. Hopefully he just talks about food. Yeah, but all you gotta do is say China or something, Chinese food, and then it's over. Those algorithms will go nuts. $24,029.25. There is a podium? Oh no. Chinese food sucks, yeah. And then it drops 300 points, 400 points in the flash crash. 4%. Where's the ketchup for this Chinese food? Yeah, exactly. China. I know, Patch. I know, Tommy. Yeah. For sure. You know, yeah. I mean, every time there's a flash crash like that, you read about people that magically caught it like 10 seconds before, you know, they went short options or shorted in some options or something. If it says Kung Pao chicken, then that's when you short, yeah. Soy sauce, 100-point drop. It's funny. It's true. I mean, if you look at the Nasdaq daily, we're just stuck right in the middle of the flash crash, right? So we're literally just stuck right in the middle, and that's the price action we're working with. So range traders doing really well. Keltner traders, you know, those type of people doing really well. Basically trading the extremes. So people that trade the extremes of the range and waiting for it to pull back in are getting paid. Trend traders, breakout traders, you can still catch nice trends though, because the ranges are big. But yeah, it's been interesting. Interesting times. We got Nasdaq, ES, YM pretty much at all-time highs. Gold at all-time highs. Righty at all-time highs. Silver at all-time highs. It's just very interesting. 5 minutes before Tokyo opens. Fastest to pay out JD54, I would say pretty much, well, fastest. My funded futures is what, 5, 6, 7 days. So pretty close. Take profit trader is 6 days. You can get to a payout. Trade day, 6 days. You're longing off the Harami. Good luck, Mo. So yeah, you can. So yeah, I would say maybe trade day or take profit trader. Really. You finally switched to one mini from micros. Let's go, wood chip. When does China usually respond? Yeah, I don't know, Andrew. I actually don't pay much attention to the news at all, but the most beautiful noodles, but they fail with the sauce. Yeah. Yeah, I don't actually watch the news much at all. All right, pushing its way up back towards the VWAP. Nice play off the Harami candle, Mo, bro. All right, down 125, up to 70 on the trade day. Rejecting off the VWAP, gold is. JJ, did they set time limit? Oh, I don't know. You don't even have a TV wood chip? I like it. Look for those equal highs to get taken out. And the Nasdaq, yeah. Good call. Good call. There is equal highs up there on Nasdaq. Patrick said 5 minute. It's a good call. I like that. If I was long down here, stop below, might be a good good shot. Yo, mushroom coffee. You don't like it? Yeah, I can't imagine it would be that great. Yeah, I drink coffee, but just decaf every once in a while. I quit caffeine about 10 years ago. I haven't had any caffeine probably over a decade. Probably longer than that. Let's see, when did I get off it? 2012. You have a friend named Patrick H? Yeah, 2012 I quit caffeine. As soon as I got off the Xanax. Nope, no caffeine. Caffeineless. Nope, just herbal tea. Lemon ginger herbal tea. Yep, no caffeine at all. I mistakenly had caffeine 3 years ago down in Florida. I might have told this story. Nasdaq's pushing up higher. We've got Tokyo Open here. Volatility's picking up. And yeah, so I'll have a little bit like a chocolate, like that's probably the caffeine, but it's very minimal. But I had a high dose of caffeine and in a smoothie. It was bad. I was at one of those smoothie places, and I didn't know that what they called Boost was basically energy, like an energy drink. Man, I thought I was gonna have a heart attack. It was so bad. I was down in Florida at the time, and I was on full like panic mode. I ended up having to go, and I went and I locked myself in a room, and I literally just did push-ups and burpees until I passed out. Basically, it was so bad. My heart was racing. It was bad. Jamba, it was like one of those places. I think it was like Tropical Smoothie Cafe or one of those places, yeah. And they had like what they call a boost in the smoothie, and I didn't know what it was. I just thought I was getting a green smoothie, and it was massive. It was like a massive smoothie. So I just had left the gym too, so I went back to the Airbnb that I was renting down there, and then I turned the AC off actually, and of course I was in Florida, and then I just did push-ups and burpees until I was just like smoked, and it still took like 2 hours, 3 hours after that. Well, I pretty much took all day for it to come out of my system, but then, because at first I was just trying to ride it out, and I was just like, oh, this is bad. And then I just went and worked out again, and kind of sweated it out. Gold pushing down. Yeah, that's why I stopped, Cody, because that's why I stopped, drinking coffee and stuff. I used to drink coffee every morning, like most people. Yeah. I got off the anti-anxiety meds. I just cut out that stuff. Don't need any stimulants like that. All right, gold pushing down. Nasdaq rejecting off the VWAP. Can't get the stream to work? Tutor? You can't get stream to work? I don't know what's up. I don't know. Oh, I just realized my camera's all messed up in my on the short feed, guys. Sorry. There, that's better. My camera went out earlier and I didn't fix it on... I'm streaming to the shorts and I'm streaming to the regular side, and I didn't realize that it... Yeah, I'm the only one on YouTube? Let's go, JP. That's sweet. YouTube is tweaking. Crazy. That's not a bad idea. Drink a beer, equalize it. Which, if yeah, it's not a bad idea. I think I might have a beer tonight, actually. I don't drink on school nights usually, but I feel like I'm gonna drink. Yeah, Sports Don. Yeah, I know. I think you and I have talked about that before. It is horrible, and you know, definitely have gotten better at managing it. Sweet. But yeah, it's bad. Especially when I was in my 20s and stuff, it was really bad. All right. So guys, I think I'm gonna call it there tonight. I really appreciate you guys showing up, hanging out. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Please check out my website. It's linked to the top of the chat. So it's all the prop firm, all my codes, all the prop firms that I'm trading with and affiliated with it. They're all in one place. I am looking at making some more improvements on the website as I learn how to do it. So, so this is kind of like a rough start of it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys checking out my website and use code PINE across all the firms. Tradeify right now with that 40% off is a great deal. So even with the straight to funded accounts, 40% off. I mean, really can't beat that. And My Funded Futures as well is coming out with that flex plan tomorrow on the core plans. Right now they do have it on the scale plan, so if you like a little more leverage, you can use it on the scale plan. Make sure you click the free flex, and you can withdraw 50% of your total profits once you're funded, you know. 5 days of $100 or more. So use code PINE for that. And then trade day, that's the only code that's a little bit weird. It's PINE with a capital P for trade day. So I am trying to make you guys proud in the affiliate cup. So if I win, I think they'll give me $5,000 extra to give away to you guys for the fans. So cheer me on that. I almost got the thing passed, so hopefully I'll be funded soon with the trade day, and we'll try to build that up and win this damn thing. So stay tuned for the outro, and take it easy, guys. Have a good night. Trade safe, and I will see you tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine.